Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create social media videos using Clipchamp. This is perfect for making videos for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and more. So let's get started. First, open Clipchamp and sign in to your account. On the home page, click Create a new video. Now, choose the right aspect ratio for social media. 9.16 for TikTok, Reels, and Shorts or vertical video, 16.9 for YouTube videos. After selecting, you will enter the editing workspace. Now, click Import Media and upload your videos, images, or audio files from your computer. Drag your clips onto the timeline and arrange them in order. Next, trim or split clips to remove unwanted parts and keep your video short and engaging. Now, add text by clicking the Text tab on the left side. Choose a style, like titles or captions, and drag it onto your timeline. For better engagement, you can also add music from the content library and adjust the volume so it doesn't overpower your video. You can add transitions between clips to make your video smoother and more professional. Once your video is ready, click the Export button in the top right corner. Choose your quality, like 1080p, and export your video. After exporting, you can upload it directly to TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, or save it to your computer. And that's it. That's how you create social media videos in Clipchamp. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.